Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Cocoa Daisy subscription box. This is for November, but it's the October box, but everything in here is for November. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so here is the kit card, and this month's kit is titled Gather. And the back says, here in Michigan, something beautiful starts to happen to the sun-setting sky. In the fall, along with the warm glow of orange and gold, there are streaks of plum and blues in the clouds, some as dark as navy. We paired the colors of the fall sky with creamy sunflowers, dried poppy pods, and Chinese lantern plants to create a unique autumn bouquet. The art and colors in this collection will help you kick off your holiday planning and record all of your special memories. And speaking of holidays, as we approach Thanksgiving, I want to say how especially grateful I am to all of you, our customers, and thank you for being a part of our Cocoa Daisy family. So guys, if you have not already subscribed for Cocoa Daisy, I'll leave a link below for you to sign up. Y'all don't want to be missing this subscription because it has quickly become one of my favorite. So the first item we have is this bow clip, y'all. Super pretty. I'm not a big, blue is not my favorite color, but I love it and it's super pretty. We've got the blue fabric bow. It does have the silver clip. So this is our first item. The second item, we'll go ahead and jump into this month's washi. Excuse me, y'all. The seasons are changing, but the weather is not. And y'all, this washi has all of these beautiful colors that want to transition from fall into winter. We have so many different things happening on this washi. So let's go ahead and get it rolled out. Oh goodness, y'all, I'm struggling this month. All right. Oh, so look at the foliage. Super pretty. Loving all of the colors together. Here is this month's roll of washi. The next item we have is this month's pen. Y'all, look at this. I'm loving that shade of yellow. It's super pretty. Giving me the literal daisy vibes. Hopefully I don't... There we go. These little cases, I'll be about to cut myself, y'all. So here is this month's pen. It does have Cocoa Daisy there on the hardware. We have our daisy at the very top. This is, I always say it's a gel pen, then I change to a ballpoint pen. Guys, I'm going to verify this and leave that information down in the description box. But we have this pretty yellow. It does have flecks of glitter in the paint. Come on and focus. Thank you. Thank you. So I don't think we're gonna get, there it is. You can see the glitter in the paint. Super pretty. So this is this month's pen. Next we have, I believe these are sticky notes, but these are cute with the little leaf. Yes, they are sticky notes. Yes, look at this leaf, y'all. This is so cute. You could do a cute little spread with these too, but I'm not encouraging nobody. This is this month's sticky notes. The next item we have are our die cuts for the month. So we get quite a few die cuts every month, as well as die cut tabs. If this is your first time watching a Cocoa Daisy unboxing with me, these kits were set up so that you could get a completely new layout every single month. You could literally have a new planner, essentially, every single month. So let's go through these die cuts. We've got gratitude journal, cute, things to buy. We've got some foliage here. We have a stack of pillows and blankets. acorns, some more foliage. We've got coffee. It says Thursday. Oh, we've got date. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with these. We've got the day of the week. I'll put all of the foliage over here. Get out of here. Things to buy, things to remember, things to do today. Monday and Wednesday. We've got some cups, some more foliage, more acorns, more mushrooms. Cannot think straight. So these are all of the die cuts. And then we get a set of 6 tabs, y'all. Like I said, you could literally create an entire planner for the month, a new planner for the month. So these are our die cut tabs. Running out of space here. So these are our die cuts for the month. Super pretty colors. Everything looks really good. And our tabs for the month. These are adhesive, you guys. All you do, you just need to peel the paper off the back. And boom, you have your tab. Alright, y'all. The next item up is our packet where we normally get a pen test sheet for the pen that I previously shown. We get our refills for the pen, and we get a notepad. So this month it says grateful and thankful. It's lined in these ombre colors, super pretty, and we have some foliage down here, some florals down here, and we have quite a few sheets. So here is this month's notepad, our pen test sheet, and our pen refills. The next item is this month's sticker kit. So, as I've said several times, I'll say again, the kit is set up where you could have a new planner every month. So, on this first sheet, you've got the month that, like I said, this is October's kit, but it's meant for November. We have doctor appointment, dentist appointment, veterinarian. This would perfectly fit in your monthly layout boxes. Then we have an adhesive tab, and then we've got some other things: notes, month at a glance, meal plan, daily to-do list. This is blank. Autumn bucket list, November goals, blank. Challenges, blank. Trackers, Thanksgiving planning. We have some date dots, or date flags, I should say. And she even includes this flag here so that you can mark off the day that Coco Daisy does the next kit reveal. Boom. So then we've got five sets of days of the week. We've got some movement trackers, these sneakers here. We've got some budget stickers, recycle stickers, Chinese food, takeout, coffee, trash, laundry, cleaning. We've got a crock pot here, and we've got 2 shopping stickers. So this is just the first page. Our second page gives us some letters. We've got more date flags, and then we've got some half and quarter boxes down here and some more flags with these hearts there on them. And then our third sheet is deco. Like I said, you've got enough to set up a monthly layout, 5 weeks. You've got some extras here, and you've got some deco to go along with it. So this is this month's sticker kit. The next item is this month's papers. Now, we just talked about setting up a completely new planner. So our papers are double-sided and sized where, as long as your planner, I want to say A5 wide or smaller, even half letter, you could use these half sheets or half these sheets to create dividers and use the tabs, ding, 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 the die cut tabs to create dividers. Every month, a whole new setup. So that's the first sheet. Here is the second sheet. We've got this pretty ombre plaid. On the back, we have what looks like, I was gonna say it looked like a world map, but it looks like we've got some alcohol ink or some watercolors there. And lastly, we have this bright mustard yellow print. and some florals on the back. So here is this month's paper pack. Last but not least, y'all, I was not expecting this. I didn't even bother to watch the review, so there's no way I could have known it was coming. This is cute. I don't know what size this is. Let me do some looking. But y'all, we have a TN travel situation here, and it says, so grateful for so much. You know what? I think this is supposed to be a gratitude journal. So you can set up a gratitude journal TN style. We have a space for a pin loop. We have our TN strings where you would just need to punch this in from the outside, and then boom, looky, so cute, y'all. Do y'all see this? And it's just small enough to go in your purse, to go on the road with you wherever you're going, moving about. And you've got a gratitude journal. So cute. Alright, y'all, here is the October 2021 Cocoa Daisy kit titled Gather. If you enjoyed watching this unboxing, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.